This is how the Montessori learning environment teach the young children by focusing on meaningful activities to build a strong, solid foundation of grounded concept. These activities then turn abstract concept into tangible, manipulative materials. These direct experiences help to introduce mathematical concepts in a carefully ordered sequence, which helps to scaffold the child's learning. One of such activity is the sandpaper numerals. In this video, I will be introducing to you how to present the sandpaper numerals to the young child that you work with. This activity is the second presentation in the series of 6 different activities used in a Montessori math area to introduce the concept of counting, recognition, and sequencing of numbers 0 to 10. Hello everyone, my name is Omowumi Agumbiade, and on this channel I create educational content for parents and early childhood educators who work with young children, specifically those between the age group 0 to 6, as we ensure the holistic development of these young children. The direct objective of the sandpaper numerals is to introduce the child to the names and the shapes of the symbols. As the child recognizes the names and the symbols, the child is also learning how to write them. The distinct feel of the fine-grained sandpaper and its contrast on the smooth board helps guide the child's fingertips as the symbols are traced. If you're ready, please let's get into the classroom. Numbers, you already know your numbers 1 to 9, but this will prepare you to be able to write your numbers. All right? Today we're going to start with the first 3 numbers. You will write your numbers and also you'll be able to identify your numbers 1 to 9. Not only writing, but also you'll be able to identify the numbers. But today we'll just work with the numbers 1 to 3. Then next lesson we'll go on to all the other numbers. All right? Okay. This is 1. 1. This is 2. Can you try? 2. And this is 3. Now can you trace and show me 1? 1. Can you trace and show me 2? And you say 2. Can you trace and show me 3, please? Can you trace and show me 3 again? Can you trace and show me 1? Can you trace and show me 2? 2. Now, what number is this? 2. What number is this? 1. What number is this? 1. What number is this again? 1. What number is this? 1. And what number is this? 2. 2. So today, we've been able to learn and trace the numbers 1, 2, and 3. If you find this video valuable, please do not forget to give a thumbs up. You will find that in this activity, the child is able to connect the words of the quantities with the symbols used to represent them. There are also multiple sensorial experiences with the sense of sight and touch, even as the child listens to the names and is also able to say the names. These multisensory learning experiences help build solid memories of the numbers in preparation for formal writing on a sheet of paper. Are you homeschooling your child? Or as an early childhood educator, do you need a detailed Montessori mathematics lesson plan with step-by-step pictorial presentation for use as you work with these children? In the description section, there is a link for you. You click on that link and you'll be able to get detailed information of how to access this particular document. Do not forget to watch different Montessori mathematics and literacy presentation on this channel. I'm sure you will find them really very valuable. Please watch out for the third presentation in these 6 activities used to teach the young children the counting, the recognition, and the sequencing of numbers 0 to 10. I look forward to seeing you then. Until then, thank you and God bless you.